Great to see you again.
Thank you, Charlie.
What are we making today?
Grilled beef with a sweet soy sauce dipping sauce.
So the ABC, sweet soy. And
And
so when you're selecting beef, so we want a good quality cut, right?
Yes, we do.
So, you know, I think when you're selecting beef, you know, if you're going to your butcher, you know, it's looking for maybe a little bit of marbling. It's looking for something that's fresh,
Fat,
knowing where
a bit
it's
of
from.
fat
Bit of
too.
fat.
Yes.
That's what all chefs will tell you
Love
that.
it,
A bit
yes.
of fat is what makes, you know, any meat's really amazing, but selecting the right cut, so something that's quick cooking, so a sirloin, I feel like anything like that for this dish, I think is perfect.
Yes.
And avoiding cuts like, you know, a brisket or a, you know, a rump or something that might have that bit more tough.
But actually, on the cut of the beef, there's a thing where we discovered, well, I discovered the skirt steak. Have you discovered
Oh, I
that?
love the skirt steak.
Yeah, it's good for stir
Yeah.
fries too, because although the grain's so
Yeah.
deep, you can cut it really finely sliced and it's
Yeah,
just yum.
so the
It's good for
knife almost
sautés.
does the work of what your teeth would be doing.
Yeah.
So,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So just to recap, so you've got some cumin, and that was coriander seed,
That's
wasn't it?
what, coriander seeds,
Yep.
cumin in there, so that's spices.
Sorry, coriander powder.
Powder,
Coriander
yeah,
seed powder,
so,
sorry.
yeah, yeah.
And then you've got some shallots, some garlic, and you've just poured over some normal soy sauce.
We don't normal sauces, so that's the saltiness for this dish.
Yep.
And we're just about to use some sweet soy sauce.
Yep.
That's to balance out the saltiness, the spices. And the thing with sweet soy sauce is, when you use the ABC sweet soy sauce, it just complements the coriander and cumin. The sweetness, it just really
And
yummy.
what I love about this sauce is it's quite thick, right? So it really coats whatever you're cooking. And like, I find this such a versatile ingredient. So it's like, you know, stir fries, soups, marinades, you know what I mean? Even salad dressing, like, you know, because it is sweet as well as it's got the saltiness,
Yes,
because it is
it
soy.
does, yes.
It's just perfectly balanced. All right,
More. Because what it is, well, just before we grill, we're going to scrape it all off,
Yep.
and then it goes in the grill. So,
Yeah, nice. And just give that a really nice
yes,
mix, yeah?
please.
So I'm in charge of the grilling, am I?
Yes, please.
Okay, good. I've been meaning to do something. I feel
So
like
this is in room temperature. Is that important?
everyone has their own ways of doing things, but when you're actually cooking, it's a lot more even process. Like you haven't got this like sort of hard sear on the
Yeah,
outside.
yeah.
The middle's just like
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
So yeah, that's a really good point. And like with this as well, you could marinate this, say, like the day before, or you could
So
even...
because of TV, we're not, but yes,
Yeah.
we would actually. Yeah.
Exactly,
day
and
before.
and then even once it's marinated, just pull it out of the fridge an hour before,
Yeah,
let
yeah.
it sit on the bench, and
Yeah.
then it's just like, because you said as well, not too high.
Not
the
too
heat,
high. We're
right?
not gonna burn the spices that are in there, but
Yeah.
enough to toast it as we go. So, but high enough that it doesn't boil.
Yep.
But
And do we want any oil in here?
no, the oil's in there already.
Right, fantastic. And do you want me to scrape any of this off, or leave it all on?
I actually like it on
Yep.
because it's so tasty.
Yeah, I agree. Let's have a go at this. And these steaks are quite thin as well.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It'll take, what, 2 minutes on each side?
yeah, about 2 minutes
Yeah,
on each side.
okay.
And because it has got sugar in it, so it's a coconut sugar, like sugar can burn quite easily as well.
Yeah,
So that's why I
yeah.
think just watching the heat as well.
So this particular sauce, we're going to have some aromatics, which is, well, the spicy element, which is the chilies.
Yep.
The fresh ingredient, which is shallots and lime juice. The salty ingredient, which is soy sauce. And obviously we have the sweet soy sauce ABC.
Sure.
So in that, we're going to put in, let's put in quite a lot because I quite like this. And when there's leftovers, we just put it on fried egg on toast.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
So quite a lot goes in because there's quite a lot of steak. And then we're going to put in the chilies. So I've just used the regular chilies today because I know you don't do
Yeah.
spicy. Do you do spicy?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah?
I do like spice, but like I've got a level, and I think that, you know, like people making this at home when they're cooking for kids, it's something that you could easily skip
Yes,
as well.
we can
leave the
skip.
chili
We can
out.
use capsicum because that's the flavor we want, not that so much
It's a great
spices.
idea, actually.
Yeah,
It's a really good
capsicum.
idea.
Red capsicum, actually.
Yeah, just for kids as well. And like shallots as well, I love shallots. I think they're such an amazing ingredient, and particularly like, I like how you've like pretty roughly cut
Yeah,
those.
I like the chew.
Yeah, so
Like
you've
the-
got a lot of crunch with that where like, you know, if you're cooking something that's more like European, you usually dice them quite finely.
Yes.
But I think this is a really like great way to use it. So that there probably, I've done about 2 minutes each side now. I
Yeah.
can see it's still a little bit under on that bit, so I might give it about another minute or so.
Now, I'm going to need your muscles because my fingers are hurting today. Can you squeeze that? Let's squeeze one at a time and then we'll see how we go for taste.
Yeah, it's a hard line.
Is this a hard line?
So that steak here, I reckon is looking pretty,
I think that's good.
pretty good.
Let's go in
And you can
there.
see that sort of stuck to the bottom of the pan as well. So we're
That
going to
looks-
slice this up, or do you want to go whole?
What do you reckon?
I reckon just give it a slice.
Let's give it a slice.
Yeah, give it a
Okay,
slice.
let's give it a slice. So let's put it there to
Yeah.
rest.
So I'll let it rest first.
Yes.
So now I just need to have a little taste of this. So it just looks so good. You know, look at that. It's fantastic. Yeah. ABC sweet soy. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You know, that is just awesome. Something I know people could definitely achieve at home. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's something that the whole family would love.
Thank you. Thanks, Charlie. for
Thank
having me.
you.